Welcome. This is a video in the series, How to Rumble. In this video I will explain how to download your videos on Rumble. Go to rumble.com. Click on Your Account. Click on My Content. Click on the three dots at the right side of the video. Click on File. The download of the video starts. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please give it a like and join my channel to watch more tutorials about how to Rumble. Thanks again, and if you have a question, please use the comment box here below.